with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Oh my God, y'all. 31 days in August, 31 uploads. I'm gonna show you guys a handful of customs that were my favorites, the ones that I've felt like was really proud of myself for doing. I really enjoyed doing all the customs. I don't know, there's something about just being creative and expressing yourself through art, whether that's on a shoe, whether that's doing the wine bottle that I did or anything else, whatever you guys like to do here. I hope that I am providing it for you. Just let me know how I'm doing down in the comment section. It won't hurt. Say good, thumbs up, thumbs down, say do better. Anything that you guys feel like that I need or you guys want, please let me know down in the comment section. Otherwise, let's just get into it. So let me show you guys some of my top favorite customs. The first one I would say, really underrated video, but I would say the custom skateboard that I did. Bang! What do you guys think? Spider-Man is my favorite superhero, so even putting a cartoon of him onto the skateboard was really fun for me. The best line work that I've ever done doing on a cartoon. I still gotta hang it up on my back wall there. I'm actually gonna redo my whole art room or art studio pretty soon, so that's pretty exciting. Hopefully I'll show you guys some of that in my other videos coming up here in the month of September. Coming in at number two. Number two would be the blackest dunks. A pair of dunks. Ooh, these nice. I used the blackest paint on some dunks and man, they came out so good. Like you couldn't even see the Nike sign. It's insane, like mind-blowing insane. Let me know what you guys think about those dunks. Like, would you rock those? Coming at number three, I have the Bluey shoes. Today we are turning these into a Bluey themed. Done completely. Bottom. For some reason, I love Bluey. My goddaughter actually loved Bluey. A couple of months back, you know, they're always on different things now, but I thought it was a really great custom. It's something different. I actually took off the Nike sign, painted the whole shoe. Really good custom. Number four would be McQueen, the Lightning McQueen shoes. We're going to do Lightning McQueen. I got the final product. This is what it's looking like. Oh my goodness. McQueen is something, another character that I really like. It's my favorite Disney character. I just really enjoy doing the McQueen. I did the tomatoes to match them as well.
No, I know you're not.
My two favorites.
I don't know, I really liked the two. It's a pair, so that was a really good custom. Tested me using some stencil work and painting the whole shoe. I actually did the bottom as well. And then at number five, I have that Hot Wheel belt.
I'll start placing the cars how I want them spaced out on the belt. Y'all, this is what it's looking like. Super dope, something different.
The Hot Wheel belt was insane. Like I still haven't put an outfit together, but I got an outfit that I just need to put on and take some pictures with. And I'm gonna post them on my Instagram. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, it's at cmac.31. Also linked down in the description. So make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram if you want to see that Hot Wheels belt styled. I have a really good outfit idea that I just need to put together, put on, and take some pictures and post them. Really cool custom there. Let me know what you guys think is your favorite custom from August uploads. Again, I uploaded 31 videos for you guys, 31 different customs. Let me know what you guys think down below, what you guys want to see next for the month of September. September is going to be another really big month. I'm not going to be uploading every single day, but I am going to be uploading very frequent, very consistent. I'll be getting 1 or 2 uploads out of a week, but I really want to focus on more of the quality videos, the sound, the production, everything with that, as well as to the editing and to the custom. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the ride. As always, make sure to smash that like button, comment down below, subscribe, turn on that post bell notification. This is only the start of the journey. I thank you guys, whoever chilled and vibed with me this whole entire month. It doesn't end here. As always, stay positive, and you know, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.